In his sun-drenched bedroom, Hussein, eyes gleaming with concentration, loses himself in his artwork. He meticulously adds color to a rocket, dreaming of adventures beyond the stars. With a flourish, he inscribes, "Me, RP," on the rocket, a heartfelt dedication taking shape. Colorful posters of distant planets adorn the walls, fueling his boundless imagination and dreams of space. Mirha enters the living room, her eyes scanning the space. Her gaze fixes on a drawing on the table. Surprise washes over Mirha as she picks up Hussein's artwork. Love surges through her as she holds the drawing to her heart. In the quiet of Hussein's bedroom, Mirha sits beside him, their shared dream taking shape on a simple drawing. Mirha's voice is soft yet firm. "So, you really want to go to space with me?" Hussein's eyes light up with uncontainable excitement, nodding eagerly as his dreams take flight. Mirha's determined gaze meets Hussein's. "Then we'll find a way. Together."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.